Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make informed purchasing decisions. Today, we're comparing two popular 3D printers, the Congro Official Creality Ender 3 and the Flashforge Adventurer 5M. Let's dive in and see which one is the best fit for you. First up, let's talk price. The Ender 3 is very budget-friendly at $232, making it accessible for most hobbyists. On the other hand, the Adventurer 5M is priced at $479, which is quite an investment. Reviewers appreciate the affordability of the Ender 3, especially given its performance. Meanwhile, some users of the Adventurer 5M feel that its higher price is justified by its advanced features and ease of use. When it comes to ease of use, the Ender 3 requires assembly, which some users find to be a fun and educational experience. Reviewers noted that it takes about 2 hours and 20 nuts to put together. Conversely, the Adventurer 5M is praised for its one-click automatic printing, making it a breeze to start your projects right away. Users appreciate the minimal setup and straightforward operation of the Adventurer 5M. Next, let's compare printing technology. The Ender 3 features advanced extruder technology, reducing the risks of plugging and bad extrusion. Reviewers appreciate its reliability and quality, especially after some upgrades. On the other hand, the Adventurer 5M boasts a Core XY structure, allowing for swift and smart printing at speeds up to 600 mm per second. Users love its speed and the convenience of its mobile app for remote adjustments. Now, let's talk print quality. The Ender 3 has a resume printing function, which is a lifesaver during power outages. Reviewers highlight its ability to produce large, detailed prints quietly. The Adventurer 5M, however, offers multiple nozzle sizes and dual-fan cooling for superior print quality. Users praise its precision and speed, although some mention it can be quite loud. Finally, let's see how customer support stacks up. The Ender 3 offers lifetime technical support, which reviewers find reassuring. The Adventurer 5M goes a step further with 1 month of free returns, a 1-year warranty, and a 12-hour response service. Users appreciate the quick and helpful support, although some had initial setup issues. Overall, reviews for the Ender 3 highlight its affordability, reliability, and the learning experience it offers. Users recommend it for beginners willing to invest some time in assembly and upgrades. The Adventurer 5M receives praise for its ease of use, speed, and print quality, though some users mention it can be noisy. It's favored by those who want a hassle-free, high-quality printing experience. So there you have it. The Ender 3 is a budget-friendly, reliable choice, especially for those who enjoy a bit of DIY. The Adventurer 5M offers speed, quality, and ease of use for a higher price. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another smart buying decision. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep buying smart.